Performance pa rin. Reset na ba? Sige.
Ako na. Tawa ko.
Time check.
Time check.
Time check.
I don't know. Michael Leva, you're amazing. Good morning. We have so much today. Okay lang. So much today. I need my caffeine fix.
Alin na yan? Yung
Taas ng shoes ko. Well, at the end of the day, this is your VJ Heart, and welcome to Mix Top 20 Charts. Coming in strong at number 1. Yes! We got Q Shade.
Kasi pag sinabing mix talaga, VJ Heart talaga ang isa sa mga ano.
And the number 1, still an all-time favorite of the fans. From the movie A Walk to Remember, Mandy Moore. Correct!
I love this bag. In case you want to try it.
It's different. It's big. Whenever I buy clothes, I like to do like buildable, or it's either I prepare a gown for next year. Just want to show you one piece that I got. I really like it. It's a nipple. Super cute, oh. Just do a powerful suit na YSL. Yeah. And ganun lang. I think I wanna put nga a black tie kasi I saw it on the show. Yung Schiaparelli, yung black, meron ba tayong event sa Manila? Tagal. Hindi gagamitin ko na sa birthday ni Cheese.
Yeah, ayun. Perfect!
Medyo ganun yun.
Kaso di makita yung ano.
Yun na nga. And then ano naman ako, hindi naman, off-duty naman ako sa SSF.
Ayan. Perfect!
Yeah!
Sige.
I'll just wear my own na lang. I'll airdrop to you. Just having a little break.
out of the treats.
The Doctora, the Dr. Z has landed finally here in Paris. Tignan mo, cute lang siya.
Your Fashion TV is asking if okay ka lang to be followed again for preparation sa show.
Ano yung bukas 10 AM, Chloe? 2 PM.
2 PM is Mugler.
And then
Mugler.
8 PM.
Hindi, 6 PM
6 PM.
Schiaparelli. Tapos the requirements from Philippines.
Ano?
RLC.
Okay.
Okay. Meron ka ding Absidy.
Okay.
I am
Okay.
worldwide, sis.
Okay.
Potency.
Okay.
Potex.
Okay.
May Philip Stein.
Okay. Okay lang. Basta walang nega, happy ako. Kahit patambling nyo pa ako. Yung pala?
Ay, sumabit sa harness.
Go. Kaya, wala na.
Ano na?
Sana kaya mo pa. Wala ka pang 40 niyan. Pag tayo pumatak tayo ng 40, may sasabi ko sa'yo.
In front of you!
Dear, okay din yung Osmos pang shows, no?
Maganda nga. Kaya lang problema pag binuksan mo gumagamit. Lutasha, thank you for welcoming us back after the fiasco that I didn't cause. Mali pa ka piyasok ng kotse.
Punta ka na dito, punta ka na.
I just get so anxious because I hate it when I'm late. You know what I mean? But I was, again, paulit-ulit na, pero I was clear naman na malalate ako. Is your love tonight? That's all I need, is your love tonight, sweetheart. Cheese.
Hindi na ginamit.
Ganun talaga. But it would have been such a cool look. Sige. Wala na talaga.
Pabuti mo naman ng chorus.
Nakakainis mo na. Meron tayo pa rin tao sa ano ha? 8
May mga payong?
Meron. Dito sa nandito sa mga party ko.
Okay, I'll take it seriously. Hindi, charot yan. Parang boses pusa naman yun. kailangan to. Left, right, right. Golden.
Dito, madam.
Sa likod ba siya?
Dear.
Ito, madam.
Okay. That's only the second day. Is it what? Today is the second.
Technically second.
Technically, it's the second day. It was a good day. We have to start at like 7 a.m. tomorrow, 6:30. I'll see you then. We have 10 minutes to talk. Good night.
10
God,
minutes na ba?
pagod ako. Oh my God.
Haba.
Pagod ako.
Haba ng kwento.
Ang tagal ng tayo.
You know, I have cheek.